Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install Google Chrome current stable release on MX Linux 25.2. Default browser that comes with MX Linux is Firefox. So open it, then go to Google or any search engine, then search for download Google Chrome. Now click on this fast and secure web browser built to users. Now click on download Chrome. Then select this .debian package for MX Linux because it is based on Debian. Click on accept and install. See, download started and its size is about 124 megabytes. Once download completes, then we will execute this Debian package. This will take time. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Now open terminal. Then go to downloads directory, ls. Now install this package sudo dpkg-i, then Google, then press the tab to autofill entire Debian package. Hit enter. Provide the password of the currently logged in user, which must be the sudo user. Hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Now verify. Search for Chrome. See, here we have the Google Chrome. Click on it to open. If you want to make Google Chrome as the default browser, keep the checkbox, and if you want to automatically send usage statistics and class reports to Google, select the checkbox. It is up to you. Then click on OK. Don't sign in. See, you got the Google Chrome web browser. So we have successfully installed ls. This file is not recorded anymore, so I am removing it to clear the space. We have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install Google Chrome current stable release, that is 148 on MX Linux 25.2. The process is same on all MX Linux versions. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.